How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk stocks and we focus on one thing. Always protect your profits. We also got to put in the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So make sure when you do invest, you're doing it at your own risk. And you guys know we're going to be talking about AMC, which had a monstrous day inside the market today. But before we get started, of course, we have to go over the agenda. If you're new to this channel, I just want to let you know we have timestamps down below in the description as well. So the first thing we're going to be going over is AMC releasing Investor Connect. I love this idea to bring retail shareholders together. They know already, hey, you guys own the float. You guys are the ones who are holding shares and bringing up the value of this company. And I want to find a way to kind of get everyone together and build the community even further. So we're going to be going over that. Then the second thing we're going to be going over, we're going to be doing a technical analysis, taking a look at the price action that went down for today. I feel this is key to know so we can look out for those levels come for the next day. And then we're going to be going on Fintel and taking a look at the short interest information. We want to know what is going on. Are shorts still shorting AMC? Are they still putting themselves out there to get slaughtered? So we're going to be finding out in this video. And then when all of that is done, I'm going to be giving you guys my final thoughts, letting you guys know about what went down inside the market and so much other stuff. So let's get into it. So let's briefly go over the press release from AMC in regards to Investor Connect, all right? So AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. unveils the all-new communication initiative to engage directly with its sizable retail shareholder base through the launch of AMC Investor Connect. AMC Investor Connect allows AMC shareholders to self-identify through the AMC website and receive important AMC special offers and company updates. More than 3.2 million individual investors owned a stake in AMC as of March 11th, 2021. AMC management is taking initiative steps to communicate directly with its retail shareholders, which comprise of more than 80% ownership of the company as of March 11, 2021. Investors who sign up for AMC Investor Connect will receive an initial offer of a free large popcorn when attending a movie at AMC this summer, with more benefits to come. Hey, I like that. I'm looking forward to that. Program initially launched at theaters only in the United States. So I won't be able to benefit from this. I actually live in Canada. For anyone who's in the US, all of my apes, all my other shareholders, hey, you get an opportunity to actually enjoy this. So we'll just read up quickly the first paragraph synopsis here. So AMC announced today that they're going to be launching Investor Connect, an innovative, proactive communication initiative that will put AMC in direct communication with its extraordinary base of enthusiastic and passionate individual shareholders to keep them up to date about important company information and to provide them with special offers. Over the last several months, AMC has seen its retail shareholder base grow beyond 3 million owners. With this sizable number of retail shareholders, AMC is taking a groundbreaking new approach to investor relations and investor communications. AMC Investor Connect launches in conjunction with the preliminary proxy statement for AMC's July 29th annual meeting of shareholders, which is expected to be filed publicly on June 3rd, 2021. So now we're actually going to scroll to where Adam Aaron actually leaves his comments very quickly. So Aaron added, during my 5+ year tenure as CEO at AMC, I've taken great pride in the relationships I have forged with AMC's owners. With AMC Investor Connect, that effort in relationship building will continue apace even if our shareholders now number in the millions. After all, these people are the owners of AMC and I work for them. Come on, you just gotta love this CEO. You gotta love Adam Aaron. real cool dude, and I love the fact that, hey, he's definitely showing his appreciation to all of the shareholders. One thing that I want to remind you guys of, the CEO, their job is to bring value to their shareholders, move the company forward, and the fact that he's actually building a community, wanting to actually build deeper relationship with shareholders, I think is huge overall in general, and it's going to continue this movement in regards to buying and holding shares. It's going to add to even more excitement, and it's part of the reasons why I see AMC still has a lot more upside to actually go from here. As far as how is this going to be looking in regards to what do other companies, are they going to be following these footsteps that AMC is doing? It's going to be very interesting because, like I said, this is something that is very innovative, it's very revolutionary, and at the same time, he knows already the better relationship he can actually build with his shareholders, the better it is for the stock for the long term. So I definitely love this. Let's jump into the technical analysis, and then after that, we'll be checking out the short interest, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts and also what was going down inside the market and even more. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis for AMC, which ended up having a strong day inside the market. So we ended up closing at $62.55, being up 95.22% on the day. And as you can see, it definitely has a trend going on in after hours. On the low, it tested at $35.59. Then on the high, testing at $72.62. So as we take a look at how it's lining up with our indicators, well above the 200-day, well above the 100-day, riding real nice on that 21-day EMA. So as far as for tomorrow, what am I looking forward to is more bullish movements with AMC. Just taking a look at where the price action was actually going, you could definitely tell here this stock was halted on many different occasions. Yes, we ended up getting to a high of 72.62, but do keep in mind of the fact I feel like we can beat this level as this week progresses and comes to an end here. But as far as areas of resistance that we want to look out for, definitely right here around this $69 level. Once we get that momentum and hitting into 70, then I could definitely see this stock running even further. But you guys know, as long as you are buying, you are holding, you're taking advantage of those dips, then this stock can go even farther. It's not even a question. Now, what I'm going to be looking forward to in regards to close. So at the end of today, I would love to see AMC close above $70. If it closes above $70, then it's definitely going to be some fireworks going into tomorrow. So that is something for us to look forward to, see it close at 70. And if it doesn't close at 70, then I'm definitely looking forward to seeing it close above 68. But you guys already know how this stock moves already, so let's look forward to it. Congrats to all my holders out there. So we're on Fintel. We're going to be taking a look at the short interest for AMC, and this is taking into consideration June 1st close. It is at 19%. So what does this mean? Institutions, hedge funds, people are still shorting AMC stock. So that is one thing to keep in mind, but this is also good to know because there's many of us who are buying and who are holding, and we know we're trying to push a short squeeze here. And we take a look at the short shares availability. It is at 50,000 updated 26 minutes ago, and the short borrow free rate stands at 11.28% updated 26 minutes ago as well. Taking a look at the history of the short volume ratio, we already know what it is for AMC on a consistent basis, and you can see it fluctuates quite a bit, but the average is still above 21%. But overall, in general, again, there's a lot of negative sentiment towards AMC stock when it comes to the market, and everybody on Wall Street, they're saying, hey, the price needs to go down, it needs to be lower, and that's why they're continually to short this stock. So for my final thoughts for AMC, I was definitely excited when I was seeing how well it performed inside the market today. We went through numerous halts and chewed that up. Yes, the stock ended up dipping, but it recovered just as quickly here. I actually did see the stock actually going to $100, but again, that's part of the reason why I'm seeing that they halted out. I'm like, wait, hold up a second. This is getting out of control. But at the end of the day, there's still more room for upside. AMC is still going to continue moving. There is so much demand, and there's a lot of volume running through this stock. You can tell there's also a lot of traders in this particular play as well. but that's okay because that just adds to the overall volume and it gets more people buying in. Another thing I want to emphasize on the fact, yes, short sellers are still shorting AMC stock. When we took a look at the short interest, and this is actually crazy, but we already know they can dig that grave even deeper because we're going to keep on buying those synthetic shares that they're putting out there, and we're just going to buy and hold because we know what we own. Another thing I want to go over as well, as far as what goes down in the pre-market and after hours, yes, it's good when we have those run-ups, but please do keep in mind you don't want to put too much of a focus on that. During those particular times, since the volume is lower, don't be surprised. There could be a lot of manipulation that ends up going down with these institutions and hedge funds in the pre-market and as well as in the after hours. But if we end up getting those run-ups and we're seeing that volume, hey, that is great to see, but I want to make sure I bring that across your radar and you're also aware of that. As far as how far is this thing going to go? Is this going to continue all the way till the end of the week? I'm definitely seeing it. We definitely have a shorter week overall in general. So taking all of that into consideration, I see a lot of FOMO. A lot more people want to buy in and hold and be a part of the movement. So this could definitely continue, and especially going into next week. We do have to understand the fact in regards to the short squeeze, we are not there as of yet. Right? We're not there yet, so it's not happening right now. I know you're seeing the price action that you're seeing, but like I said, this is just a combination of a lot of excitement, a lot of FOMO, a lot of people buying in. But hey, overall, this is great. The more people that buy, the even better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, continue to buy and hold and only invest with money that you can afford to lose. I'm not saying you're going to lose all of your money, but I want to make sure you don't have any immediate need for the money that you're going to be investing in. You need to be patient when it comes to this play. We'll talk.